Hello everyone. Welcome back to Lingoland. In this video, we will learn 30 conversational connectors in Spanish, which will help you sound more fluent. These small linking words can really help you level up your Spanish fast. Let's begin. And,
y,
or,
o,
but,
pero,
nor,
ni,
for,
para,
for,
por,
then,
entonces,
before,
antes,
after,
después,
while,
mientras.
so,
Así que,
yet,
todavía,
still.
aún,
That's why.
por eso,
Until,
hasta,
since or well,
pues,
aside,
aparte,
because,
porque,
even though,
aunque,
furthermore,
además,
however,
sin embargo,
therefore,
por lo tanto,
on the other hand,
por otro lado,
in fact,
de hecho,
above all,
sobre todo,
now that,
ya que,
instead of,
en vez de,
anyway,
de todos modos,
finally,
por último,
all in all,
en fin,
that is all. Use these connectors to avoid those awkward pauses. If you found this video helpful, do like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more Spanish lessons. Until next time.